hello. This was amazing, really fun. So many impressive projects. It's kind of incredible to see what people could do in just 2 days. A lot of these projects look like final projects from a semester-long course. It's really fun.
So this is the Museum of Lies, and you have these 3D printed things on these plinths or these pedestals here, and then in virtual reality the same objects exist but in a larger scale with large descriptions that have floating above them close but false descriptions that are pulled in from Wikipedia and generated programmatically falsified every 30 seconds, so the definition's changing all the time. And they're photogrammetry scans with a photogrammetry scanned room at a low quality, so it gives the whole thing a destroyed, falsified look to the whole ambience of the thing.
Okay, so we've built a Python backend that sits in the cloud, listens for requests for Wikipedia articles. It gets the article, retrieves it in plain text, and applies a whole load of really sort of evil natural language processing techniques to extract information from the sentences, rearrange words, mash things up, rub things out, regenerate sentences using Markov models, and return an article that is completely different to the one that was originally asked for, but not too different. You see, these articles still kind of tell the truth, but they tell you a very distorted version of the truth. So to give some examples, we've had a request for information about the goddess Athena. She is no longer the goddess of peace and love, she is the goddess of turtles and shrimp. Or a coffee pot is not for brewing coffee, a coffee pot is for conducting warfare, for instance. And the degree to which this information is subverted and changed and manipulated is controlled by parameters sent to the API.
Yeah, I was really impressed that I didn't expect to be in here in a different version of this space.
Yeah.
That was really surprising. Yeah.
What we've got here is a machine that pulls in Wikipedia articles, and with the dials you can turn up the truth or turn down the truth. You can turn up the amount of fabrication that's added to the information about an article. On certain objects, we've got a coffee pot, Athena, the goddess Athena, and also a scarab beetle. And the Museum of Lies is just a thought project upon what is reality when it comes to thinking about historical objects.
So this shows the state of emotion felt throughout the world using various different colours and also sounds, so you'll get all the sounds and all the colours at once, but each one will be changing in real time so that you can get a better understanding of what the world is feeling at this very moment.
Okay, good. This is all smoke, no mirrors, and it's a playful space that uses light and sound and reacts to a person's kind of movements. It's basically an exploration in all of those concepts. We set up the framework, and then we tried to see what was working well and what went well in there. We've ended up with this particular outcome. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay, this game's called Stepping Stones. It started off as an attempt to rig a physical game, but has evolved into a game of trickery in its own right. You each have a set of cards which you can use to make the other player move to a certain triangle, and then the aim of it is to the aim is to try and get somebody to step on a triangle that's already previously been occupied. So,
but the players themselves can't see which spaces have already been occupied. So the audience sees that on the screen.
You win. Yes. So if playing all the time is.
So the audience sees the screen which shows spaces, or it will in a minute.
the audience is able, this means the audience can see.
You can see what's going on.
Yeah.
But for the players, they just have to remember it, or try to remember it.